Hello, hello, and happy World Card Making Day 2025. Today I'm going to show you how to create this really quick and simple stepper card using the free digital collection created by Katarina from Create with Katarina. I left the link in the description down below. In this collaboration, we've got Marta from Drop of Sunshine, Monika, PaperMona, and Katarina from Create with Katarina. So let's create a beautiful card using those beautiful digital collection. So this one, as you can see, I printed it bigger size on A4 and then I made it smaller here. So this is really cool idea if you want to create very nice dimension. Here, as you can see, I printed two scenes on one A4 card and then there is a bigger version. So you can use both on one card and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So let's create card base. I've got 5.5 by 11 inches orange card and I'm going to score it at 5.5 inch all the way down. Then I will need one more panel measuring 5.5 by 2.5 inches. I'm going to score it at 1 and 2 inches. Now it will be time to fold and burnish the score lines and actually cut the excess on the flap for the stepper element. If you've never ever created a quick stepper cut, this project is for you, and I really hope you will give this one a go. The other day, Katarina created this stepper cut, so I thought I'm going to borrow her idea and create a stepper card today. So now when this is ready, I'm going to use my glue and assemble the panels together. Really cool, simple, and if you use a liquid glue like I'm doing here, you will have time to maneuver the elements. And that's what I did here, because I really struggled with the flap and I had to do it 3 times. Sometimes it happens, so don't worry. So, if you'd like to celebrate World Card Making Day 2025 with us, I really hope you will download Katarina's free designs, and I left the link in the description down below. And don't forget to check Monika's, PaperMona, Katarina's, and Marta's digital collections as well. They beautiful projects. So the cold panel measures 5.25 by 5.25 inches, and then I've got the scene here, so I can assemble them together. And now I can put them at the front of the card. Really cool, simple, but very effective, especially when you add a little bit of gold to your project. So now we can decorate the card you want. So I decided to create a smaller gold panel for the front, and this one is 5.25 by 3/4 inch. I'm going to use my liquid glue, and then I'm going to use the bigger scene that I printed, and I'm going to fussy cut the elements I want to create dimension. I encourage you to play with these collections, not only with Katarina's collection, but also Marta's and Monika's PaperMonas, because they are absolutely amazing. And to celebrate that World Card Making Day 2025, we give you 4 different collections for free. If you want to celebrate with us, that will be amazing. If you create anything with our free designs, please use that hashtag World Card Making Day 2025 so we can see your projects. That would be absolutely amazing. So as you can see, this one is already finished. But as you can see, I'm using my scissors to fussy cut around the mushrooms here. Now I'm going to use my trimmer again just to make sure all the lines are straight on the edges, which I think is really cool, very simple and very effective. And if you'd like to get any of the tools I use here, I left the links to the trimmer and also my favorite magic glue, liquid glue. So now I'm going to use a pencil to create a mark on the back and we can assemble everything together. Unfortunately, I made it slightly smaller. Don't worry, I'm going to cover it with the elements I fussy cut and colored in. Really cool, quick, simple, and very effective. Again, I'm going to use my trimmer. Now it will be time to assemble them here. As you can see, there is a tiny bit of orange here, but I'm going to cover it with the mushrooms on the left-hand side. So there is always a way to do it. And what's really good about this design, it actually has the logs at the bottom, which makes it super easy to fussy cut. Have you ever created a stepper card? If you haven't, I really hope you will give this one a go. And if you haven't noticed, for all the videos for hashtag World Card Making Day 2025, I created a different fancy fold for you to try. I try to make them as simple as possible and quick as well. And now I'm going to use the elements I colored in using my alcohol markers, and I fussy cut them as well. So you've got lots of dimension, and now we can decorate it the way we want. If you want, you can also add some gems as well. As you can see with coloring in, I went with all the warm colors of autumn. I really like those, so I thought today is the day to go wild with warm colors. So now, when this is ready, all you have to do is to make sure there will be plenty of space to write your message inside. And I'm going to show you my trick. So, as you can see, those beautiful elements are simple and quick to color in. So, if you like to do it, go and check Katarina's free designs. You will be amazing how many different projects you can create. I know she loves gnomes, so when I thought she's going to create a beautiful mini collection, I thought it would be gnomes, and I'm so happy she did it. If you like the gnomes, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to check Katarina's, Monika's, and also Marta's videos as well for today's projects using this free design, because their projects are simply amazing. And the other day, Katarina created this stepper card, so today I borrowed her idea to create my own version. Please let me know which project in that hashtag World Card Making Day 2025 was your favorite. I'm really curious. Here I've got the sentiment from Monika's free design. And as you can see, I'm going to use the gold card. Now I'm going to add a little bit of dimension and put it in the corner at the top. Really cool, simple, and what's really good about this collection, it goes well with gold color. And I absolutely love it. Now let's create some elements to write the message. So I've got that beautiful design paper, the other scene, and I will have a square, white square, measuring 3.5 by 3.5 of an inch. So you will have plenty of space to write your message here. And I decided to adhere this inside of the card, so it will be hidden a little bit. And I think this makes it even more special, because you will see a different scene inside of the card, and it's going to be completed super quick, simple, and very effective as well. So please let me know, what do you think about this really quick stepper card? Would you like to give it a go? I really hope you do. So I wanted to say again, happy World Card Making Day 2025. And don't forget to check Marta's Drop of Sunshine, Monika's from PaperMona, and also Katarina's from Create with Katarina projects for today's beautiful free designs. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And again, happy World Card Making Day 2025. Stay crafting. Bye for now.